Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new tracking ID on Amazon Affiliate. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and not download, open just the browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So in my case, I'm actually using the Brave browser, but for you, of course, in your case, you can use any other browser. Could be possibly working for you, such as Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser could be working for you, of course. Even Internet Explorer if it's working for you, right? Anyway, you'll need just to type Amazon Affiliate, then hit the enter button. That will actually take you here. Just click at the first website link, whatever you call it. Of course, this will take you into this page, and if you don't have an account, you'd like to create an account if you want to follow this tutorial steps first of all. But if you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So from here, as you can see, if you want to add a new tracking ID, all you need to do, just go here to your email, hover it, and then or click on it, it's the same, then click add account settings. So here, as you can see, that will actually take me into this page. And of course, you'll just need to scroll down a bit and then click at manage your tracking IDs. So let's just wait. As you can see, it will actually take me into this page, and from here you can add any tracking ID by just clicking at this. As you can see, click add tracking ID button to add another tracking ID to your account. The new tracking ID will take up to 24 hours to get enabled for one link. So just click at add tracking ID, type your tracking ID here, click at create, then you'll be good to go. You will find it right there after 24 hours. It's not 24 hours, it's up to. So of course it could be like before, but it cannot be after. So that's how you actually add a new tracking ID. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.